Welcome to my channel! Kung bago pa kayo sa channel ko, just click the subscribe button for you to subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong mga bagong upload na videos. Sino ba rito ang nahihirapan sa pagsosolve ng adding of positive and negative integers? Kung ikaw ay nahihirapan, just watch my video. Ituturo ko kung paano mag-solve ng adding of positive and negative integers in easy way. Kung matututo ka sa pamamaraan ko, sigurado ako perfect ang score mo. Remember, pamamaraan ko lang to, kaya dapat mo pa rin malaman kung ano talaga ang rule ng positive and negative integers in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. May kanya-kanyang strategy sa pagsosolve nito. Kaya sa pamamaraan ko, sigurado ako na matuto ka nito. So let's have example of adding a positive and negative integers different sign. So example, positive 7 plus negative 3 equals positive 4. Why is that positive 4? Remember that in adding positive and negative integers, different sign, you need to find the greater absolute value and the smaller absolute value. Then take the greater absolute value, then subtract it to the smaller absolute value. So in this given, the greater absolute value is 7 and the smaller absolute value is 3. And you need to subtract. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. And what is the sign of the greater absolute value? In this given, the sign of the greater absolute value is positive. So, you need to take the sign of the greater absolute value, which is positive. Another example, negative 8 plus positive 2 equals negative 6. So, why is that negative 6? So, again, in solving adding positive and negative integers different sign, you need to find the greater absolute value and the smaller absolute value and take the greater absolute value, then subtract it to the smaller absolute value. So, in this given, the greater absolute value is 8 and the smaller absolute value is 2. Then, subtract. So, 8 minus 2 equals 6. And what is the sign of the greater absolute value in this given? So the greater absolute value in this given is negative. So you need to take negative to your answer. Okay. So that is example of adding positive and negative integers different sign. So in easy way, if what is the sign of the biggest number, you need to take that sign to your answer. Then subtract the two numbers. Again, if what is the sign of the biggest number, take the sign to your answer. Then subtract the two numbers. Okay, so let's have example adding positive and negative integers the same sign. So in the same sign, let's add an example. Negative 4 plus negative 2 equals negative 6. So why is that negative 6? So in adding positive and negative integers the same sign, you need just add the absolute value, then copy their common sign. So in this given, the common sign is negative. And then you need to add the absolute value. The absolute value is 4 and 2. So, negative 4 plus negative 2 equals negative 6. Another example, positive 6 plus positive 4 equals positive 10. So, you need to add the absolute value. 6 plus 4 is 10. And what is their common sign? Their common sign is positive. That's why positive 10. So, very simple. In adding positive and negative integers, the same sign, you just add the absolute value, then copy their common sign to your answer. So, that's all. I hope you understand. Napaka-easy lang talaga kung paano mag-solve ng adding of positive and negative integers. Ilagay nyo lang sa isip nyo na kapag different signs, kailangan i-identify nyo ang greater absolute value, then subtract it to the smaller absolute value. At kung ano ang sign ng greater absolute value, yan ang sign na gagamitin nyo sa answer nyo. At kapag the same sign naman, just add the absolute value at kung ano man ang common sign nila, yan ang gagamitin nyo sa answer nyo. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video ko at abangan nyo ang coming videos ko. Maraming salamat!